About allow hit testing modifier in SwiftUI. So allow hit testing modifier in SwiftUI. Applying this but is not apply on this test tab event in this button. Otherwise, but would not apply on this tab event in this button. So configures whether their view participates in hit test operations. What is allow hit testing? Configures whether this view participates in hit test operations. Hit testing operations. And SwiftUI let us stop a view from receiving any kind of tab using allow hit testing modifier. If hit testing is disallowed for a view and tabs automatically continue through the view on the whatever behind it. So we're gonna get on this example. This is the command N which has SwiftUI view. So allow hit testing. Example, allow hit testing example. We're gonna get on the allow testing. Suppose now we're gonna get on this vstack and which we're gonna get on this button, and in this button is action. So in this button we're gonna get on this text, and in this text we're gonna press and press which we're gonna get on this press, and we're gonna get on the print statement action. We can use a print statement action. Press button tabbed print, which have print on this print button tabbed. Okay, and this is a press button which have pattern, and we're gonna apply on this property. Suppose this is a headline in this property, apply, and we're gonna apply on this weight. Suppose this is a board, and we're gonna apply on this color is white color, which have white color, and in this button we're gonna apply on this background. Suppose we're gonna apply on this dot padding, and we're gonna apply on this dot padding, and we're gonna apply on this frame, and this is the 300 width and 40 height. We're gonna remove this alignment is remove. We're gonna apply on this dot corner radius, which have a 18.0 corner radius. Apply, and we're gonna same copy in this button is 2 button in this UI. Okay, this is a done button tab, and this is the done button. Okay, not apply on this color. Suppose this is the background color, not apply on dot background color. So color dot purple color and color dot green color, which have a dot background color dot green color, which have a green color. Okay, and this whitish board, and we can resume on this application. And in this allow hit testing, open your window group and running in this project. So allow hit testing configure whether this view participates in hit test operation. So press button tab, this is a press button tab, and done button tab, and this is done button, and is false in this use of done button, not is done button tab. So we can check on this allow hit testing, apply allow hit testing, and this is a press button, this is a done button. We're gonna apply this modifier dot allow hit testing. Okay, and is equal to false in this property. In this allow hit testing is equal to false, not tabbed in this event. We're gonna run this application, and this is a press button tabbed, and done button, but done button is not action in this done button tab, but it's not action, and press button and done button, and press button, this is a done button, not action in this event. Suppose which we're gonna apply on this same element in this dot press button dot allow hit testing is equal to false, and we're gonna run this application. This is a not tab event, this two button, every button not tab event accessible. We're gonna remove this issue, and this press button not tab and done button not tab. This press button done button, this is not tab, and we're gonna allow testing false, remove this allow it not testing, and we're gonna run this application. This is a 2 button event, every event in this UI is fixed on this event. So press button and done button is 12. So allow hit testing configures whether their views participates in hit test operations in SwiftUI. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. You can enjoy my channel and like my videos.